What's up guys, it's iCube here, and a very special thing's just arrived. From the back, can you guess what it is? How about from the front? It's my new Megaminx. It's straight out of the package. So what's inside? A Megaminx. And an instruction guide. That going backwards, so is this. This is the bit that I'm talking about. My new Megaminx. It's a very greasy Megaminx, like the lubes on the outside a lot, but it's very smooth. About the right size. It's got a nice grey colour. So what I'm going to do is scramble it up and try to figure out how to solve this. So if ever I tried to figure out how to solve a puzzle, I'd probably start trying to solve it like 3x3. So you get the white edge, white red, you kind of just twist it around until it lines up with the center, like that. And then you spin it in. Yeah, this could work. Okay, now I'm going white purple. Where's the edge? Where's white purple? Ooh, okay. This one's got a lot more twisting to a lot of other cubes, so there's not just one layer. This is, I don't know, probably bigger than a 5. No, it's roughly the same size as my 5x5. As you can see, I've got like a star on that white side solved, like a star sort of thing. Now I'm going to try and twist it around and figure out how to place in corners. Okay, same way as a 3x3 I guess, but slightly different. So I need that to be in between them to pull it down, I guess, and around. Yeah, I guess that could work. Move it out the way, down, back in and back up. Done. Okay. Nearly solved the white face. I usually just guess that it's solved like 3x3. I've done the white face and all around. Let's try the second layer, see how similar it is. Ah, okay, so pink is... Oh, so... Really? Those ones around there that my finger's running along, those faces are the only really ones that aren't the last layer. Yeah, so yellow and purple. Move it away, bring it down, move it back, bring it up, move it out the way. Okay, so that works like a 3x3. It's very hard to find edges, like not in a bad way. Some colours which you can't really tell the difference of that easily, but so we've got purple, blue, no, red, blue, yellow and purple and green. Red, blue, yellow, purple and green. Red, blue, yellow, purple, green. Yeah. Purple, green, red, blue, yellow. Yeah, so that's right. So there is a red. Is there a green? Yes. So you kind of like twist it around until it goes in. Yep. Now I've got to move it out the way. down. Ooh. Ow. Okay, so now I've got to place in this edge by twisting that, maybe that, and then back up, and then back. Okay, I think now if I do it like 3 by 3, yes, it's placed in. Nice. Okay. I need a yellow blue. Sorry, I'm just searching the cube for a yellow blue. No, that's not yellow. It's grey. I'm going to cut ahead until I find the yellow blue. Okay, so I've just found the yellow blue, it's right there. So let's just try to twist it around until it lines up. I think that's lined up, move it out the way, down, back, and back up, place it in. Now this next bit is going to be tricky. Hold on, where is it? So I've got that. Where's the pink side? Pink. Okay. If I try to solve that red side, let me just twist it around. So if I went bam, 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 I guess? Yeah, that's doing okay. That's the red one. Okay, place it in. Done. Next one. There. Spin it. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. I'm trying to solve all the edges in each face. No, because that's broken that. So that is fine. Okay, I've got 2 edge things solved. Yeah. Let me try to flip this. Okay. Oh, gosh, I thought that was the yellow side solved. Red is still solved. Okay. So far we're doing okay. Not bad, actually. So, yellow faces there. Is that hurting any of the other faces? Nope. Where's the orange face? Is this hurting any of the faces? Yes. Is that hurting any of them? Nope. Okay. So far, so bad. Let me just fix any mistakes. Where's the yellow's done? How about purple? Purple is nearly done. Where's that last purple edge? Okay. Looks okay so far. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. No, I'm not. I am determined to do this. I've got purple, yellow-ish, yellow. Oh no. Up, back, and down. This is hard, guys. How's that? Purple's fine. Ooh. Okay. I might have to make a part 2 on this, guys. Sorry, we're running low on time. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!